Welcome. In this guide, you'll learn how to unstage files in Git. We'll cover what it means to remove a file from the staging area and why it's a useful skill for every developer to know. Before we dive in, let's quickly review the three main areas in Git. First is the working directory, where you actively edit your files. Next is the staging area, which is like a waiting room for changes you want to commit. Finally, the repository is where Git permanently stores your committed snapshots. The staging area is a crucial intermediate step. When you're satisfied with a change in a file, you add it to staging. This lets you build up your next commit piece by piece, ensuring that only the right changes are included. It gives you precise control over your project's history. There are several common reasons to unstage a file. You might have staged a file by accident, such as a log file or a file with sensitive information. Or maybe you staged a file but realized it needs more work. It's also a great technique for breaking a large change into smaller, more logical commits. The main command for unstaging is git reset head, followed by the file name. This command tells Git to reset the staging area to match the last commit, but only for the specific file you mentioned. It effectively pulls the file out of the staging area. Let's look at an example. Here, the git status command shows us two modified files. Style.css is green, which means it has been added to the staging area and is part of changes to be committed. Index.html is red, so it's only modified in the working directory. Now we run git reset head style.css. After running the command, the new git status output shows that style.css is now listed in red under changes not staged for commit. We have successfully moved it out of the staging area. It is very important to understand that unstaging a file does not delete or undo your work. All the code you wrote is still safe in the file in your working directory. The only thing that changes is that the file is no longer scheduled to be in the next commit. What if you want to unstage everything at once? It's simple. Just run git reset without specifying a file name. This will clear the entire staging area, moving all staged changes back to the working directory section. To wrap up, remember these key points. Use git reset head with a file name to unstage one file, or just git reset to unstage all of them. This is a completely safe operation that won't lose your work. Mastering this helps you create cleaner, more professional commits.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.